We're talking about pizza. I got a smile on my face. Let's go. Welcome back to the Everyday Beast Kitchen. I'm Rob Smith, and today we're putting the twist on the classic. We have an awesome post-workout meal for you today. The pizza stuffed chicken breast is good, trust me. But before I show you how to make that recipe, we have a unique HIIT workout. We're gonna be combining kettlebell swings with Russian twists, and then we're moving on to farmer's carries, superset with rope crunches. Let's go, so we can get that meal. Gone are the days where we just have to listen to what worked 20, 30, 40 years ago. Being able to innovate your workouts. When do you ever see a farmer's carry paired with rope crunches? It doesn't happen, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is, if you enjoy something, if it gets your heart rate up, do it, become it, innovate. Putting the body through the ringer. Every day. That's what I'm talking about. That stuffed pizza breast we talked about, we've earned it. Let's go make it happen. See you in the kitchen. All right, we're back in the kitchen. We just got done at the gym. We finished our HIIT workout. We combined some exercises that you don't normally see combined together. And today we're gonna innovate our dinner with our pizza stuffed chicken breast. I love pizza. I love the flavors of pizza. I love how everything comes together, and I love a good crust. But when my goals say, Rob Smith, you cannot have any pizza, hey, pepperoni, mozzarella, olives, marinara sauce stuffed into a chicken breast sounds pretty good to me. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this chicken, slice it right down the middle. I wanna make sure that I do not cut all the way through, because if you cut all the way through, it's gonna defeat the purpose, okay? We don't wanna defeat the purpose. We got goals. It's gonna be good. All right, grab some parchment paper. We're gonna flatten this out a little bit more. We want this about 1/4 inch thick. Don't be afraid to use that muscle. All right. Check that out. First thing I'm gonna do, put a little salt and pepper on both sides of this, because you know what, we like flavor. Sodium is good for you too. A lot of people are scared of sodium, but sodium is perfect, man. Helps your body stay hydrated during your workouts, keeps you from cramping up. If you're focusing on a HIIT workout, you're probably trying to cut fat. This is perfect because it has minimum carbs, you know? After you're finished with that workout, your body's like, hey, I need energy, I need energy. Where are you trying to teach your body to pull from? Your fat stores. So this is perfect for that. So we're gonna put a little bit of marinara sauce on here. So the sauce we're using in this recipe, I made it myself. I made it last night. It's good, it's clean, and it's delicious. You're like, Rob, you know what? You can buy a sauce easily from the store. Well, here's the deal. You're an everyday beast. You're gonna go the extra step. Are you worried about added sugars? Do you know where everything came from? If you make this sauce, you know it. It's tomatoes, it's garlic, it's basil. It's clean, it's effective, and it's good. What would a pizza be without pepperoni? Come on, here we go. Got a pepperoni, that looks good, that looks good, that looks good. Check that out. All right, we got some chopped spinach. Throw that on there like that. Olives. And obviously, what would a pizza be without some mozzarella? Now we're talking. A lot of people might look at the cheese and be like, oh man, I can have cheese when I'm trying to like cut fat. You can have cheese. It's just, are you willing to take the time to figure out how to incorporate it in your macros? You know what? I dig it already. And a little bit of chopped basil to top this thing off. This is your chicken breast stuffed with the pizza toppings. We're gonna fold this over. Check that out. And just to ensure that this stays together, we're gonna throw some toothpicks in it. All right, just like that. All right, check that out. We'll just top this off with a little bit more of a marinara sauce. Be sure to check the recipe out. This stuff is good. And we'll also finish this off with a little cheese before we put it in our pan. That's money. So I'm gonna throw this in the pan, and I'm also gonna prep 2 more. You're creating something that's delicious and not mundane. Why not create more? Set yourself up for tomorrow by planning ahead. This recipe is perfect for that. You have 2 additional meals that are ready to go. Oh man, that looks good. That's what I'm talking about. We put that in the oven for about 40 minutes, came out looking perfectly. Let's see what we're working with right here. My favorite thing about this meal is you still get all the flavors of pizza, and you're still able to support your physique goals. This might be better than your childhood. Finding little tweaks, finding little ways to be like, hey, I still get what I want. It may not be the crust, but I still get these flavors. These type of decisions are important to your long-term success. You are on the way to results. This is The Everyday Beast. I'm Rob Smith. See you next time.